Hey, what's going on? Ice here, and in this tutorial I will show you on how to fix the colors in Sony Vegas. So you might know this problem that when you render to MP4, originally in the editor your video looked like this, and once you render it out, dark colors are darker and the bright ones are even brighter than they originally were. So here's on how to fix that. Open up Sony Vegas, load a project or import a clip, and do your editing. So you notice it turns the dark areas a little bit brighter and the bright ones a little bit darker. So it's sort of countering the whole effect. And go to the preset computer RGB to studio RGB. Now you noticed that it sort of turns the whole thing, the dark areas a little bit lighter and the bright ones a little bit brighter. So it's sort of countering the effect. And once you're done, go over here and click render as, and whatever you want. I'm gonna render it as 1080 YouTube video and click render. So you might be wondering why Sony Vegas is doing this sort of color change to the video, and the reason for that is that different video formats use the 8-bit color space a little bit differently. So WMV and AVI, for example, use 0 to 255. Now 0 in this case is black and 255 would be white. And MP4 does it a little bit differently, so black is 16 in MP4 and white would be 235. So something that would be a very dark gray, because it has, for example, a value of 10 in AVI, suddenly gets mapped to black because it's underneath 16. So there you go, that's the reason for that. And if you were wondering why it's at Pegel instead of levels in the video, that's because I am using the German version. Well, I was using the German version. I tried to change the language for this tutorial. It changed everything but the names of the video effects. So if you're trying to look for the fix in the German version, it's called Pegel, and everything else is the same. And that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.